In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a campaign. Here on the sidebar, you have the option to select campaigns. Here on the main display, you can select new campaign. When you are creating your new campaign, you fill in the required fields. You put the name of the campaign, the label, which is what the participants will see. You can select the language. There are 3 options: English, German, and French. And here you can put a message for the team to know why they're receiving the email. Then select Next. Here you have the different templates from our template library. You can preview each template before making your selection, or you can use the wizard to help you choose. Help me choose, it asks some questions that you may recognize from the onboarding, and you can make a selection here and it will suggest a recommended survey that matches the challenge you're facing. For this demonstration, I will select the pulse check survey. Once the survey is selected, select Next, and then you choose your audience. So our team members and leader, this will unlock the perception gap where the team members and the team leader complete the same survey and the responses are matched to create a perception gap analysis. This option, team members only, it's only sent to the team members. The leader only option is a self-assessment for the leader. For this demonstration, I'll be choosing the team members and leader for the perception gap analysis. Here you enter the team leader email, and here you can add the participants who will be responding to the survey. You can add individual members directly into the field, or you can import from an existing group that you would have created. Import. Here you can import or create a new group in the tool. So for example, you could put the marketing team in Munich and add your individual members directly into the tool. And then you create an import, and this new group will also be linked in My Groups, where you have the groups of contacts you send your surveys to. Once you've selected your participants, then you go to Next. Here you have the campaign details. You can set a deadline when the responses should be submitted by. Here you have the anonymity threshold. The anonymity threshold is the minimum number of people who need to answer before the results are unlocked. You can increase it, but it can't be less than 3. This is to ensure anonymity when the results come through. You can have a recurring campaign where you select the frequency. If you would like to have the campaign sent at different intervals, you can select that here. For this demonstration, I'll deselect that and we can go to review. Here we can review our campaign selections. We can see what the basic information is, the template we've selected, the audience we've selected, the number of participants, the leader, and the deadline. You are able to make changes. You can use the pencil icon here if you need to go back to a particular section to make changes. You can also go back if you'd like to change the template, and you can select here a different survey if you need to. Here I'll confirm that I have the right to process the data, the email addresses of the participants, and then I go to launch the campaign. Once the campaign is launched, I have the screen here that gives me an overview. I can see the responses. I can see the anonymity threshold, the deadline, the number of participants. Here I can preview the template I selected. I can also preview the email, the team member and the team leader emails they'll receive in their inbox to complete. If the team leader is the user of the tool, they can take the survey online by clicking that tab, and then they'll see the options here to complete the survey in the tool itself. And now we wait until the results come in. and then we will be able to see the results in our dashboard.